Hi, let me introduce you to our new US Cargo Synchro recycling system. This top-mounted and door-mounted waste system comes with synchronized over-travel slides, meaning that the rear bin can easily come out without interfering with the top counter overhang. We have 4 different models for face frame cabinets and 4 different models for frameless cabinets. So the width is customized for this cabinet construction. We have them in the most popular sizes, which are the 15-inch, 18, 21, and 24-inch widths. This is an example of a 21-inch 2-bin system for frameless cabinet. Every single model has a metallic top shelf that comes included with every system. Therefore, with a one single motion, you are covering the bins as you close the cabinet door. When we do have a smaller bin within some of our configurations, they also come with an individual plastic lid to seal potential wet waste. So if you want to find more information about the US Cargo Synchro, please visit our website at richelieu.com.